What's going on? Rich DeMiro here, Rich on Tech, taking a look at the new AirPods Pro. These are the latest AirPods. They are not replacing the current AirPods. They are just in addition to the AirPods that you know and love. They come out tomorrow, and here they are. Now, spoiler alert, I've already opened this box and I've tried them on, but I will show you what they look like. So here is the case, and it's a larger case. It's a little, well, it's a different shape. It's more rectangular instead of square like the last one, but you'll notice immediately because there's this little dot here that it is a wireless charging case. On the bottom though, you still have the option to charge with a wire, and on the back there is the pairing connection button. Pop it open, and there are the AirPods. You got left and right, and you kind of pull them this way to get them out of there. But if you take a look at the AirPod itself, you got a little venting chamber to help with the audio. You've got little sensors so they know when they're actually in your ears. And of course, you've got these removable tips that I haven't tried to remove it just yet, but well, it stays on there pretty good. I'm just gonna leave that one on. I started with the medium and it seems to fit, so I'm just gonna leave the medium on. And right here, if you notice this little indentation, this is a force sensitive area. So you actually press and kind of hold that to change between things. You can skip tracks, you can go forward, back, and also press to change the modes. So let's pop them in the ears. See what they feel like. So there's no twisting or anything. You just kind of, that's it. That one's in. This one's in. And that's what they look like in your ears. And immediately they're popping into this noise cancellation mode. They have active noise cancellation. I'm going to pair them up with my phone. So I'll just press connect. Now it's asking me if I want to announce messages with Siri. Yeah, definitely want to do that. See, I'll play some music here. Sounds pretty good. Right now I am in active noise cancellation mode, so I'm probably talking louder than I should, but I don't hear anything else around me except what's happening in here. Now if I want to switch that up, let's try it. Now I've switched to transparency mode where I can hear my own voice and everything that's happening around me, and immediately I hear that water very prominently that is behind me. So those are the two main features of the new AirPods. Let's give it that shake test because you want to know if they're going to fall out of your ears. No? I think they're fine. Let me just show you one more thing, because inside the AirPods there is a feature that's pretty cool, and you can also switch noise cancellation off, transparency in there, also in your control center there. But let me show you this feature. This is the ear tip fit test. So you tap that and it will use some sort of algorithm, acoustic test to figure out if these are in your ears in a proper fit. So I'll do that. I'm gonna press play. It's playing a little bit of music. Oh, it's playing Tycho, which I really like. And it says I've got a good seal on either one, so that means everything's good. There you have it, a look at the new AirPods Pro, which will retail for $250, which sounds kind of expensive, but you have to take into consideration the fact that you do get the wireless charging case built in for that price. So if you bought the regular AirPods, they're $199 with the wireless charging case. This is $250, including the wireless charging case. And my favorite part, they can replace those giant headphones that I use on the plane to cancel out all the noise. So now I've got everything I need in one little place. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions about the new AirPods Pro, leave them below in the comments. I'm Rich DeMiro, richontech.tv. Thanks for watching. I'm just gonna cancel out the world now. See ya.